This is going to blow your mind. I'm thrilled to share our top 5 destinations for long-term travel in 2024. As you know, we're all about embracing the local experience, finding those hidden gems and really settling into a place. After spending the last 2.5 years traveling full-time, I've got a pretty good feel for the spots that truly resonate with us. Now, I didn't always see eye to eye with my travel companions on our favourites. I mean, some of us are a bit more adventurous, while others tend to gravitate towards places steeped in history. So, stick around as we reveal our top 5 picks for extended travel in 2024. You just might find your next adventure. First up, we're whisking you away to the sunny Algarve region of Portugal, a land of dramatic coastlines, charming villages, and a pace of life that just begs you to slow down. If you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to trade in those deadlines for days spent with your toes in the sand, then Monte Gordo deserves a spot on your radar. Imagine strolling along the boardwalk, the scent of salt air mingling with the aroma of freshly grilled sardines wafting from seaside restaurants. The sun is warm on your face, the waves are crashing gently on the shore, and you're surrounded by the friendly chatter of locals and fellow travelers alike. Monte Gordo is the kind of place where you can truly unwind. Days can be spent exploring the seemingly endless stretches of golden sand, taking a dip in the crystal clear waters of the Atlantic, or simply basking in the sun with a good book in hand. And when you're ready to venture out, the Algarve has so much to offer. Hop on a local bus and explore charming villages like Tavira with its Moorish-influenced architecture and picturesque harbour, or rent a bike and discover hidden coves and secluded beaches tucked away along the coast. One of the things I love most about Monte Gordo is its authenticity. This isn't a resort town overrun with tourists. Accommodation, food and activities are all incredibly affordable, making it an ideal destination for long-term travellers or those on a budget. So if you're dreaming of a place where you can truly disconnect, recharge and soak up the beauty of the Portuguese coast, then pack your bags and set your sights on Monte Gordo. Now, for those of you who crave a bit more excitement, let's journey north along the Algarve coast to the vibrant town of Lagos. This is where stunning natural beauty collides with a rich history and a buzzing nightlife, offering a little something for everyone. Imagine yourself kayaking through grottos carved into towering cliffs, the turquoise waters shimmering beneath you. Or perhaps you're scaling the ramparts of the 17th century Ponta da Bandeira fort, gazing out at the vast expanse of the Atlantic, where Portuguese explorers once set sail for uncharted territories. Lagos is a town that pulsates with energy, especially during the summer months. The streets come alive with a mix of locals and travellers, drawn to the town's infectious energy, an eclectic mix of bars, restaurants and shops. History buffs will be captivated by Lagos's storied past. This was once a major centre for maritime exploration, and the town's connection to its seafaring heritage is evident everywhere you look. Visit the Museo Municipal, home to fascinating exhibits on the Age of Discoveries, or wander through the old town's narrow cobblestone streets where echoes of the past linger around every corner. The beaches here are some of the most beautiful in the Algarve, from the sheltered cove of Praia Dona Ana to the expansive sands of Maya Praia. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, surfing, or simply soaking up the incredible views. With its winning combination of history, adventure, and vibrant nightlife, Lagos is a destination that will leave you exhilarated and wanting more. It's a place where you can create memories that will last a lifetime. Now, we're leaving Europe behind and embarking on a journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan. And there's no better place to immerse yourself in the heart of Japanese culture than the ancient city of Kyoto. Imagine strolling through a serene bamboo forest, the sunlight filtering through the towering stalks, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. Or perhaps you're sipping matcha at a traditional tea ceremony, the delicate movements of the tea master a mesmerizing dance of precision and grace. Kyoto is a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Ancient temples and traditional wooden houses stand shoulder to shoulder with modern skyscrapers and bustling shopping streets. It's a place where you can wander for hours, discovering hidden gardens, charming tea houses and centuries-old shrines tucked away down narrow alleyways. History buffs will be in their element here. Kyoto was once the imperial capital of Japan, and its streets are lined with reminders of its illustrious past. Visit the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its thousands of vibrant red torii gates winding up the mountainside. Explore the magnificent Kiyomizu-dera Temple, perched on stilts overlooking the city, or wander through the serene gardens of the Ryoanji Temple, famous for its enigmatic rock garden. Kyoto is more than just temples and shrines. It's a city with a vibrant cultural scene renowned for its traditional arts and crafts, exquisite cuisine and geisha districts. Kyoto is a city that will captivate your senses and leave an indelible mark on your soul. Next, we're heading to South America, to a city that has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years, Medellin, Colombia. Once known for its troubled past, Medellin has emerged as a vibrant, innovative and welcoming metropolis, often referred to as the City of Eternal Spring for its year-round pleasant climate. Imagine yourself sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe, the aroma of freshly brewed beans filling the air as you watch the city come to life. The streets are alive with energy, a mix of locals and travellers drawn to Medellин's infectious energy, vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty. One of the things that makes Medellin so special is its people. The Paisas, as the locals are known, are renowned for their warmth, hospitality and zest for life. They're always eager to share their city with visitors, and you'll be welcomed with open arms wherever you go. Medellin is a city that embraces innovation and creativity. Explore Comuna 13, a formerly dangerous neighbourhood that has been transformed into a vibrant hub of street art, music and community initiatives. Take a ride on the city's innovative cable car system, which connects the hillside slums to the city centre, offering stunning views along the way. Visit the Museo de Antioquia, home to an impressive collection of works by Fernando Botero, Colombia's most famous artist. Explore the Jardín Botánico, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city, or catch a live salsa performance at one of Medellin's many lively bars and clubs. Medellin is a city that will surprise and delight you at every turn. It's a place where you can experience the warmth of the Colombian people, immerse yourself in a vibrant culture and enjoy a year-round spring-like climate. Finally, we're heading to the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown, New Zealand. Nestled amidst the southern Alps, on the shores of the glistening Lake Wakatipu, Queenstown is a paradise for thrill-seekers, nature lovers, and anyone who craves breathtaking scenery. Imagine yourself leaping from a platform, the wind rushing past you as you free-fall towards the ground, the Nevis bungee jump, the highest in the world, leaving you breathless and exhilarated. Or perhaps you're carving down the slopes of Coronet Peak, the snow spraying behind you as you navigate the challenging terrain, the adrenaline pumping through your veins. Queenstown is a place where you can challenge your limits and create unforgettable memories. It's a town that embraces adventure with a go big or go home attitude that's contagious. Whether you're a seasoned adrenaline junkie or a first-timer looking to step outside your comfort zone, Queenstown has something for everyone. For the ultimate thrill, try skydiving over the Remarkables mountain range, offering unparalleled views of the Southern Alps and Lake Wakatipu. Go white rafting down the rapids of the Shotover River, or experience the thrill of canyon swinging, leaping from cliffs and soaring through canyons on a giant rope swing. But Queenstown isn't just about adrenaline-pumping activities. The natural beauty of the surrounding region is simply breathtaking. Take a scenic hike to the summit of Ben Lomond for panoramic views of the town and lake. Go kayaking or paddleboarding on Lake Wakatipu, surrounded by towering mountains and crystal-clear waters. Queenstown is a destination that will leave you breathless, exhilarated, and in awe of the raw beauty of New Zealand's South Island. So, there you have it, our top 5 picks for long-term travel destinations in 2024. From the sun-drenched beaches of Portugal to the cultural riches of Japan, the vibrant energy of Colombia, and the adrenaline-pumping adventures of New Zealand, there's something for everyone. We hope this video has inspired you to start planning your next long-term travel adventure. Remember, the world is full of incredible places waiting to be discovered, and the experiences you have along the way will enrich your life in countless ways. Thank you for watching Journey of Journeys. Subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon, and leave a comment below. Until then, safe travels and happy adventures.